What's up guys, everything in one back here with another video. So, it's time to check out this Lamborghini edition of new Oppo Find X. This is not a retail unit, this is just a sample unit which is showcased during launch event for reviewers. So we don't have so much time, let's quickly unbox this and have an inside look of the box. Just after opening the box, you will get the smartphone itself. As you can see, there's a carbon fiber back. So the smartphone is looking beautiful, with that Lamborghini logo, along with a carbon fiber glass finish. This Find X Lamborghini edition is much expensive than the ordinary Find X, and it is a premium smartphone, just like Huawei Mate RS. Just look at the beauty, amazing. Anyways, let's check out special accessories that are provided in the box. Just look at these guys. Beautiful, premium looking accessories. Look at this earphones package, along with the Lamborghini logo and a premium finish. Let's open this up. So, here are these wireless headphones, and these are made of very high quality materials. This package can also be used to charge these pairs of headphones. What are your opinions? Will you also wanted to try these? If yes, then you have to spend £1,699 from your wallet. Really expensive. Let's check some other premium accessories. So, here is the new SuperVOOC flash charger, which can charge 2500 mAh of battery in 15 minutes, amazing. This also contains Lamborghini logo, and it also looks beautiful with a reflective finish. Here you can see a SuperVOOC branding, which is written in yellow. So even the charger of this smartphone is beautiful. Here is a Type-C cable, which is looking made out of good quality yellow fabric, and it also looks beautiful. So let's move towards the smartphone itself. As I told before, this special edition smartphone comes with a carbon fiber finish, along with a 3D Lamborghini logo at the back. The smartphone comes with 512 GB of storage, that makes it a bit heavy. Like the ordinary Find X, it has a Type-C port at the bottom, along with a SIM tray and speakers. On top, there's a mic receiver, and some physical buttons are placed at the sides. The interface is looking quite different, but it is still Color OS, only the theme of launcher has been changed a bit. The interface is looking darker along with black wallpapers. The display is curved, and it is 6.4 inches screen along with 1080 into 2340 pixels resolution. The aspect ratio is 19:5:9 along with a 401 ppi pixel density. All the features are quite similar to a regular Find X, like a sliding rear cameras of 16 plus 20 megapixels, and a front camera of 25 megapixels. So overall, the Oppo Find X Lamborghini edition is a good premium smartphone, along with decent specs and a beautiful appearance. For specs, the device is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 845 processor chip, supported by an Adreno 630 GPU. It comes with an 8GB RAM and 512GB internal storage, which can further expanded via micro SD card to 400GB. It is packed by a 3400 mAh battery. So, that's all guys, thanks for watching, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.